great day. NFL, baby, we here.
Hey, the defense used one battle. We gonna do it today, baby. One battle on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Execution is the name of the game. Let's get off to a fast start. Fast start on 3. 1, 2, 3. Fast start.
As Garrard goes deep, it is complete, and that is to Troy Williamson for a Jacksonville touchdown.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how you do it, baby. They scared of you now. Keep it composed and keep playing football. Good job.
Garrard to throw again down the middle for Williamson. He's got Troy Williamson.
The safety came over.
I was throwing you in. I just had the ball had enough air to get to you.
Be their last gasp. Bauman end zone touchdown Jacksonville. Tyler LaRosen.
You were trying to win that way. Hey, good luck. Stay healthy.
Do not let anybody define what we're about. This is a good group of men that has worked its butts off. And we're going to be a good football team so long as you don't let go of that rope. You hang in there and work at the detail and come together, and you'll see the fruits.